Hello everyone. Okay, so I know it seems like we just go from one trip to another trip, but I swear there are months and months in between these trips. It's just that it is taking me so long to edit these videos that it just seems like no time has passed. So I do apologize for that. I am trying to get faster at editing, and I really hope that everyone has enjoyed the videos that I've edited so far. I think I'm getting better. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm getting better. What is the announcement? So we are going on another cruise, and we are actually leaving today. And we are so excited about this cruise, mainly for the ship. So we are going on Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. We are so excited to be going on this ship. I think it's going to be wonderful. I'm overjoyed. We're leaving out of Miami, and we are first going to Honduras. Then we're going to Costa Maya, Cozumel, and then we are supposed to go to Coco Cay. But this is the deal. I'm not exactly sure when this episode is going to go up, but we are getting on the ship September 14th through September 21st. And so whenever you're watching this, Hurricane Dorian has just gone through and really wreaked havoc on the Bahamas, and one of our stops is supposed to be Coco Cay, which is in the Bahamas. So I'm not sure if we're actually going to go to Coco Cay, and if we don't, that's perfectly fine. There's also supposed to be another storm brewing, so we will see what happens. But I'm just really excited for the ship. We have been to these ports many times, as you've seen in the videos. So I think even in Costa Maya, we may just stay on this ship. We will see. But I think we'll have a really good time. And another update is I wanted to upgrade our videos a bit. So as you guys know, I went from the Sony RX100 Mark IV to the Sony A6400. So that was a huge upgrade in cameras, and I went ahead and I splurged on just the Gorilla Pod, so it's sturdy. So hopefully when we're walking around, it won't be so wobbly. And then I also upgraded, and I got a Rode microphone with a this is called a dead cat, but it just muffles out the wind sounds, so you don't hear the whoosh wind all the time. And so I'm really hoping that will be a huge improvement on the sound of our videos. And then I also got, for our GoPro, I got a head strap, so that we could vlog and I could, still have my hands free. And then it also came with a clip, and so it could clip on my shirt or my backpack or a hat that I was wearing or whatever I wanted to. I could just clip the GoPro on, and I really didn't have to worry about holding something in addition to that. So those are the things that I got to upgrade our videos. So all of those things will be used for these Symphony of the Seas vlogs. So I'm so excited about that. And I think that's it. I'll see you on the Symphony. Bye. This is how many miles we put on this car. Yeah. Woohoo! That's crazy.